Hi friends, Sam with Happily Hooked. So today, this is episode 4 of our product reviews. Today we're doing blocking mats. I'm really excited about these. So I've been using recently those floor foam mats that like your kids have in their playroom or their bedroom that have like the letters and stuff cut out. Not quite cutting it for me. They're not square. I don't have a square lines or anything like that to make sure that my projects are straight and blocked the way they're supposed to be. So we got blocking mats. So we're gonna test these ones out. I will have the information in the description below for these, and I'm really excited to test them out and let you guys know what I think. All right, so we are going to be testing out these blocking mats. So there are 9 of them in here. They are 0.45 inches thick, interlocking 12-inch by 12-inch blocks with 1-inch grid lines. They have a measuring tape that's included and also 150 T-pins, which are super helpful. I always tend to lose mine. Waterproof and steam safe, which is great because I do really love to steam block things. So we are going to, I just cut the tape on this. We're gonna open these up. All right, and right on top is our T-pins, and they come in a cute little case. So that's nice and helpful. And then on this side is our measuring tape. You can never have enough of these. I'm pretty sure I've lost about 40 of them. All right, so obviously I'm not going to be able to set up all 9 of them together right here. But they look, yeah, they're numbered. That's really neat. I don't know if you can see, it has an 8, that has a 9, 7. We'll move this out of the way. And they just snap in together, and you can see how those lines line up perfectly. Oh, these are nice and thick. I like that a lot. Yeah, so it's got the nice square lines. So I have this this little guy right here. He's kind of damp. So we're going to try and block it out and see how it works. And take some of these T-pins. All right, and the reason that I did this way is each of these are 1 inch. So it should be, for a gauge square, which is what I did here, it would be 4 inches down and 4 inches across. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. So I will put a T-pin at every row. And then we'll put them down here as well. All right, so that would be the perfect way to block a gauge swatch to make sure that it matches. Mine is a little bit bigger than what it should have been, but I'm just blocking it at the level. So this would keep your rows straight, your seam at the bottom and at the top would be straight. So once this dries, it won't be all wavy and wobbly and anything like that. So let's check something really quick. Okay, so they pull apart fine. They didn't tear or anything like that. And they just slide right back on that box. Yeah, and they didn't come through the back of it, and it's in there secure. Yeah, it's in there really good, but like my hand, it didn't damage my table or anything like that. Yeah, I like this. Okay, so this is nice. This set wasn't very expensive. It was like $17, I think it was. I'll have the link for it below, but it comes with 9. So there's going to be 3 rows of 3 of these, so you can block sweaters or shirts or pretty much anything you want to on this set. Shawls, and you could probably make them like too wide or too tall and then do them out really wide. That way if you have a shawl that's a bit wider than the 3 feet, you'll have more space for it. But yeah, so this will block out just fine. The ends won't be, I'm not going to make you guys wait to see what it looks like when it's blocked, because you can see it right here, it's going to be straight. This yarn will be fine. I've blocked this yarn before. So yeah, I highly recommend getting a set like this, especially if you do things like granny squares or clothing or anything that you need to make sure. Sometimes the yarn needs to be stretched the way that it's supposed to be. Blocking mats are how you do that. If you have any other questions, if you want to know how I do steam blocking or anything like that, just leave a comment below. If you have any other products that you want me to review, let me know about those too, and I can get that done. I'm really excited. I hope you guys are liking this series, and yeah, I hope you guys have a great day. I'll see you next time. Bye!